Howdy, folks. You're watching Happy Trails Hiking.
We're at Montauk State Park in Missouri, and we're going to take you on a campground tour. This campground has 4 loops. The first loop is basic sites only, and there are approximately 31 sites. There is one shower house shared by loops 1 and 2. Loop 2 is an all-electric loop. Some of these sites are electric premium. There are approximately 56 sites on Loop 2. One of the 2 campground dump stations is located outside campgrounds 1 and 2. Loop 3 has approximately 39 sites. They are electric and electric premium. There is also a playground on this loop. The park's amphitheater is found right before Loop 4. Loop 4 is an all-electric loop, and it has approximately 30 sites. There are also a shower house and a dump station located in Loop 4. Montauk State Park is known for trout fishing. The campground is located right along the current river. Each campground has access to fishing along the current river. There's no swimming allowed. We enjoyed our time in Site 429 with our A-frame camper, Alf, for the weekend. To find out more, please subscribe to our channel. Please leave any questions in the comments down below. And until next time, this is Matt and Kay from Happy Trails Hiking, and we hope to see you in our parks.